What's your name?
My name is Zishan.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
What are you doing?
I'm studying.
What did you do today?
I went to work and then met a friend.
What's your plan for the weekend?
I'm going to a party.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I do.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually have eggs and toast.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, try AYZ restaurant. It's amazing.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one brother and one sister.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Where do you live?
I live in Islamabad.
Where do you study?
I study at Exrazizi University.
What's your major?
My major is computer science.
Do you like your job?
It's okay, but I want to try something new.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to visit Japan.
How do I get to the airport?
Take a taxi or the metro.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just a 10-minute walk.
What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play football.
What kind of music do you like?
I love pop music.
How much does this cost?
It's $20.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we do.
Can I get a discount?
Sure, you can have 10% off.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
It's just around the corner.
How long does it take to get there?
About 30 minutes.
Are you feeling okay?
No, I have a headache.
Where is the nearest hospital?
It's 2 blocks away.
How do you feel today?
I feel great.
What do you think about this movie?
It's amazing.
What are your goals for this year?
I want to improve my English.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I see myself working in my dream job.
Do you use social media?
Yes, I'm on Instagram and Facebook.
What's your favorite app?
I love YouTube.
Can we be friends?
Of course, I'd love that.
What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy traveling and meeting new people.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
I'd love to fly.
That was 100 useful English questions to help you in daily life.
If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more English learning videos.
And don't forget to comment your favorite question below